Well, it is official. Announced by the AMA on Thursday, Haiden Deegan will attempt to race next weekend for the MX of Nations. Now, obviously, this comes after that crash right there and breaking his collarbone in the SMX playoffs finals in Vegas when he was trying to take out Joe for hoping the championship win. Obviously, resulted in him crashing, breaking his collarbone, and since having it fixed. And I mean, it's obviously not the biggest injury in the world. We saw, funny enough, Cody Shock after Deegan took him out, a couple years ago, 2 years ago now, was racing the next weekend. So this isn't really a surprise. We put a plate in there, stabilize it, and hope you don't fall on it again, I guess. But we're gonna actually see. So we've got Eli Tomac for the MX2 class. Am I correct on that? As I'm looking at this, blah, blah, blah. No, Tomac will race the MXGP class, while Deegan will compete in the MX2, and RJ Hampshire will be filling in for the injured Chase Sexton, who also crashed in Vegas and has a mild concussion and a shoulder injury, which don't know what that is yet, but also on this, Justin Cooper is in the wings, backup, whatever you want to call it. And if Deegan cannot race, or I don't know, they deem or he deems that he can't race to the full potential, Justin Cooper will be dropping down to the 250 class. So this is still not a bad lineup. RJ Hampshire, who has moved into the 450 and looked very competitive, very fast. How well will he do on a international stage at that level? Who knows? So he would be racing the open class. I think that's right. Correct me if I'm wrong. And we'll see where Deegan falls. This is interesting. Let's say that. I mean, you went from what looked to be a incredibly deep team with Tomac, Sexton, and Deegan. Sexton and Deegan both being healthy, both kind of coming through into their stride, and Tomac just being, the reliable old racer he is. You knew this was going to be at least a competitive squad. Podium, you're looking that kind of at least, or for the overall win. And AMA Director of Racing Mike Peltier, however you say it, said, quote, we're deeply grateful to RJ for stepping in at such short notice to represent his country. RJ's commitment and professionalism is outstanding, and I know he is honored and excited to represent the United States on home soil. I don't know. I'm excited about this. If Deegan can go out there and race, can do it at a competitive, podium win kind of speed, this is going to be huge. If he doesn't go out and race, he's just going to get another fresh wave of hate of people saying he's dodging MXG or the MX of Nations. This will be the third year, ... I think it's funny, just on the pure fact that there's a whole team in the 250s that will not even send people. And being PC, they're signing some of the bigger names, so they don't even have to worry about doing the runaround game. But it is what it is. Obviously, big name, big talent, you're going to be expected to race, and people already don't like him. And after the whole Joe situation, maybe some people like him less. That's very possible. But if he comes out, races competitive, is right where he should be racing for the win on the podium, you got to give it to him for, coming back after an injury when he could just said, nope, move on, have Justin Cooper do it. I'm out. But who knows? Obviously, it's just a wait and see game now. What actually happens if he does race at all, and if he does, where do they fall? Do I think you have a downgrade in RJ from Sexton? Yes. Obviously it is a downgrade. I would rather have Sexton out there, but it is what it is. He's not a bad choice. I'm honestly surprised that they don't have Justin Cooper racing the open class and RJ as a backup for the 250, but that's just me personally. I don't know, but this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Do you want him to race, or would you be happy if he goes and does well? Do you not want him to race because you don't like him? What do you think about RJ Hampshire over Justin Cooper? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.